Welcome back to my channel. Actually, welcome back to another slime video. Today, I am going to be teaching you how to make slime with Elmer's glue, water.
Scoot your thing over there. Scoot over there.
Okay. Glitter, liquid starch. I don't know if I showed you already, but a half cup and something to mix in and something to mix with. So without further ado, let's get started. So we are gonna
pour some
glue in, and we are not gonna be using all of it. Nathan's filming next to me. But we are not gonna be using everything, like I said. Okay.
That's enough, right?
Yeah. Okay. Now this is optional if you want to use glitter.
Okay, so
but we are going to use glitter, and
it's not really that much, but it's fine. Now I'm going to be pouring some glitter. It's optional.
Me too.
You don't have to.
Okay, today I'm going to be using silver glitter. So let me open this, and I'll show you once it's in the bowl. Okay, so I'm just going to show you guys me pouring it.
It looks like sorry about that. It looks like glue, but it's actually glue.
Hi, Busy.
We mix it, right?
Yes. Then you mix your glitter, and I am going to show you guys how the glitter looks in the bowl. But
I'll come back when I'm done mixing.
We are going to mix now. This is optional. You don't have to, but you can. Me and Nathan just like it because, like, you get to have a little bit fun with it, not always just plain white or something.
Is this one? Which one's like this one?
And I think I'm gonna add a little bit more of something else because it doesn't really show. And I'm gonna add some pink from yesterday.
Just so you know, I'm gonna add some blue, some black.
Say the black a little bit, please.
Huh?
Can you say some black? Black.
Sure.
Okay, thanks. Okay, so now we are gonna mix it.
Is this enough?
Yes. Thanks.
So I'm adding some black for the cool.
Okay. So now, sorry, we are gonna pour some. I'm sorry about that. Half cup of liquid starch, and you would be pouring it in this, and I'll be back once I poured it in. Okay, so I just added a little bit more glue because mine was too small. You guys don't have to add more glue, but I just did, and now.
Okay, now I'm gonna add the liquid starch in the little half cup. And I don't pour everything.
Okay, so I poured some in the half cup, and it's kind of bluish grayish, the color, if you haven't seen it before. But now I'm just gonna pour it in little by little because I have a little bit of slime and we don't want to make it so thick and stuff. So now we are gonna mix it.
Okay, so now this is how it looks. Oh, I can't really show you. I don't want to drop it. It's like bluish. It's similar to this color, like sky blue.
Sorry,
So
Nate.
I'm just gonna add a little.
So it's starting to come to the point where it's picking up, and that is a good thing. And if you want to, you could add a little bit more liquid starch.
Yeah, I am. Mine is too sticky.
Yeah, because you don't want to make it so sticky, because then you can't really put it in your hands.
Or you could, but like it will disappear.
Not really, but
you will have to throw it away.
Yeah, it won't come off your hands. So it's just like glue. Like glue, it can come off your hands.
Don't we add some water?
Yes, we add some water. So you are gonna add 1/4 of water. We are just gonna add a little bit of water too. Okay.
Oh,
So-
mine's turning out good.
Mine is too. I think I like liquid starch more than borax.
I don't. I think I like. Mine's
Because the
still
borax makes it so hard.
sticky. I need a little bit
Sometimes.
more.
Okay, so now we are gonna add a little bit more liquid starch, and that should be enough. Because
Just so you know, happy Thanksgiving.
yeah, happy Thanksgiving, guys. Hope you enjoy your little feast or something. Whatever you're gonna do today. Because we are gonna have a feast today. And yeah.
I'm trying to play with it.
We're gonna do the mannequin challenge too. So go check out my Musical.ly account, Rainbow Heart 1234, and you're gonna see all of us doing the mannequin challenge. And then go follow my mom's Instagram, prettyhair@yahoo.com, I think.
No, pretty hair by now.
Pretty Hair by Norma. But yeah. So it finally picked up, and now I'm gonna play with it in my hand. So as you can see, it's super sticky. It's like sticking onto my hand. But this is not a fail. Not yet.
Why?
It's a simple fun.
I am sorry about that, guys. But I added more liquid starch, and it did come to a point where it actually stopped sticking into my hands. So this is the final.
I hope you guys like this video. Please, the only thing that's not really
It's
simple
really
is this.
pokeable.
It's hard to find it. We went to like 10 stores and we couldn't even find it. Next you know, we went to Stater Brothers and we found this.
It was on the section on the bottom.
So, yeah, I hope you
But
guys
it
enjoy
depends
it.
where you guys live.
Enjoy it. Please like, please comment.
Anyway, see you guys for
So, yeah, bye.
watching. Hope you enjoyed. I really recommend this. Remember, if it's sticky, then you have to add more liquid starch. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Here's how liquid starch looks if you want to go get it. I really recommend it. But thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.